Alright guys, I guess I get first dibs at it. Victor and I, with Jonathan and Daniel, we're here. We're shooting live as well, but today we're at the Grand Floridian Hotel at Disney World. We're gonna roll on Ekopel on the tub here at the Grand to fix some damage that's been done in here. Let me switch back, show you what we're looking at. So this tub, this was refinished yesterday and someone stepped in it. Damaged it here.
I gotta look at that one too.
So there's some damage there. We're just gonna fix that. We're gonna roll on some tub cast Ekopel. Pro line is the tub cast. DIY line is the standard Ekopel. So we're just gonna fix this. We're gonna do it live. So as you guys can see, we're at Disney's Grand Floridian Hotel. This is a Bay Lake view room. Nice room, and it's 1:23 when we get started. But yeah, we're live out of the Grand. As you can see, it's such a beautiful view, such a great room. But there's Victor. Victor Gonzalez is our newest location owner for Bathtub Guys. He's over in Augusta, Georgia, handling all of Augusta, South Carolina, and he extends over to north as well. But as you can see, he's scraping all the material that was loose from yesterday's incident off of there. He's going to scrape it down, sand everything down smooth. So here's Victor just sanding down the final pieces with hand sandpaper just to make sure he gets all the edges. From here, he's just going to go ahead and give everything a quick little wipe. Like I said, with some acetone, leaving everything fresh and clean, ready to go. And after that, we'll be jumping over to some quick masking. Everything with the roll-on and the pour-on versions of Ekopel are just so much faster and easier. He's simply just got on a previously done tub like this, he's simply got to sand everything and wipe it out. One that hasn't been done before, he's going to wash everything with soft scrub and some toilet bowl cleaner. It's something that he mixes together and then sands everything basically with that with a scrubby pad. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We were filming everything live, so we also have the live cut of this entire project. I accidentally did it in the vertical mode, so it's easier to watch on your phone. But if we do more of these, I'll be definitely doing them with the full screen. But there is a live version of all of this as well, so you can see this completely uncut. This only took us an hour start to finish, but just wanted to share that. We also streamed it live on multiple social media accounts as well. But for taping and masking, it's a very simple process. We're just going to throw one piece of 2-inch tape across the entire edge wherever you're going to be applying the material to keep it nice and controlled. We'll tape off the drain, either remove or tape off the overflow. And from there, you'll be pretty much ready to spray. We'll give it one final pass as a wipe down. And whether you're a pro or a DIYer, every step in the prep process is the same. The only other thing you're going to need here is some rubber gloves. You don't want to just have paint all over your hands. It's nice and easy to do. But each kit that we make is going to be individually made for. You won't have to measure everything out. You'll be able to just pour in the part B right into the part A, and then stir it up. So we're going to be stirring until everything's all consistent. You want to scrape the edges and all the sides of the container. Just mix everything until all the material's uniform and consistent. It's usually anywhere between like 3 and 5 minutes. If it's cold, you want to warm up the material first. You can keep the container closed, put it in the sink with some hot water in the sink, or put it on a heating pad near the heater, anything like that. The containers are pretty small and nice and easy. So for the roll-on application here, I just sped up the video. This is literally the exact same as any roll material that you can do. So in your DIY kit, you're going to get 2 bottles of the top coat. The top coat takes longer to set up and dry, but it's perfect material to apply, cover everything, and leave you with an amazing finish. So in the DIY kit, you get 2 bottles of the top coat pre-measured to be just enough for the perfect amount for the bathtub. In a DIY application, again, you're going to be rolling a coat, then you're going to give it 2 to 3 hours in between coats, and then you'll just simply roll another coat on. For our professional application, we have one bottle of primer, 1 bottle of top coat. The difference being that the primer dries very fast. So if you lay a primer coat on there, it's going to take anywhere from 5 minutes to 15 minutes to dry, as opposed to having to wait a couple of hours. This allows you to finish a tub in an hour, as opposed to it taking 3 to 4 hours to complete. But he just rolls everything nice and even, nice and consistent. And once he gets to the end of the bathtub, it'll be completely smooth, completely shiny, just the same as if you were to spray on the application. But this is just simple, keep everything easy, and you'll be all set. So after that, we're at a property that prefers that we pull all the masking down. It's pretty common for us at Bathtub Guys to pull the masking off afterwards and leave the tub ready to be used the following day, if at all possible. But 24-hour dry for all Ekopel Tubcast products. And as you can see, this is a top of the line hotel, and everything was completely approved by maintenance and everybody else. Sorry for the chaos at the very end of this, but I wanted to show you everything, and we were filming live at the same time, so here you go. All right, guys, here we are, literally 2:15. We're done. If I'm not mistaken, we started this at 1 o'clock. Actually, I did the live right when we walked up.
62 minutes.
62 minutes, including waiting for Danny to go up and down, including cleaning up.
Yep.
Right? I told you, man. You can finish this stuff fast. You can do it right. It looks perfect.
We started the live right when we
That's it, man. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for more. There's going to be plenty of professional and DIY content for you. If you're looking to be a part of the Bath Guys network, now is the time. I'm telling you right now, when we get locations, as we add them, that's it. We're not adding more. We're looking to add people right now. We're looking for people that have confidence in us, that want to be a part of our team and want to grow with us. That's all we do. We look out for our guys. Victor runs his own company. We have no ownership in Victor's company. We have no interest in any ownership in Victor's company. We just want team members. We want people to operate and expand our name, expand our network, so that we can get more major project contracts like this on a national level. And then you do the work. You get paid. You own your business. Guys, if you want to be a part of it, be a part of it. If you're a DIYer looking for it, we just showed you how easy it is and how trusted it is. If you're a property manager and a vendor or own a bunch of buildings, look how quickly a professional can come in and do it, and look at what the result was. Look at who trusts it, where we are, right? And then decide, do I want a lifetime warranty on my refinish at my commercial property from the Bathtub Guys, or do I want to go get a Craigslister that's going to do it for $150 and then do it every 6 months for the rest of my life? It's one or the other. You're going to hire the best, and the best is going to give you a lifetime warranty in a commercial property. Anyways, give us a call, and we're going to take care of you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.